Happy Wednesday morning, East Texas. I'm meteorologist Carson Vickroy. We are tracking the potential of severe weather, so I wanted to do a quick little video update just to give you an idea on how you should prepare for tomorrow. So let's take these graphics here. We got a warm front to our north, cold front to our west. That cold front to the west will provide the lift. We are also starting to see that moisture stream into the region. So we've got rich Gulf moisture, and anytime you're between a warm front and a cold front, you're going to be very unstable. Now, temperatures are in the upper 70s and lower 80s, and I also mentioned it's humid. Look at these dew points, very close to our air temperatures. All that green represents that rich Gulf moisture, which continues to stream in. So with that wind, that humidity, it's overall going to feel very warm as well. That will all combine for the potential at some strong to severe thunderstorms because it all lies in the ingredients. I mentioned the Gulf moisture, instability. That comes from warm temperatures and being in the warm sector. We have both of those. Wind shear, we will see that later. And lift, that will come in the form of the front that will move through the area tomorrow night. So here's Futurecast. Warm front moves off to the north. That rich Gulf moisture continues to stream in. That's represented by the green arrows. And the faster those green arrows are moving, the stronger your wind is going to be. And that will only get stronger during the overnight. Let's go ahead and talk about early tomorrow morning. Maybe a little bit of drizzle. That's about all we have. Don't expect severe weather right after midnight tonight. It's late morning. That's when I become concerned. This is 7 o'clock in the morning. So if you still have those outdoor activities to do, I wouldn't sweat it. Of course, you'll probably be sweating because of that humidity. But I'm more concerned about what happens in the late morning. This is about noontime. We do have numerous thunderstorms moving into our western counties, and some of these could be strong to severe right off the bat. So that is something that we will have to keep a close eye on. And the line only becomes more robust by 5 o'clock as it moves through deep East Texas. Now, ultimately, the front will end our severe weather threat, and it will stabilize the atmosphere to keep us generally dry on Friday with just a few clouds around. So here is your severe weather outlook. It is a level 2 enhanced risk of severe weather for our central and northern counties. It is a slight risk for some of our southern counties. But once again, everybody under the gun for the potential at severe weather. And it's not one mode or two modes. It's all the modes tomorrow. I do expect some damaging wind gusts. That's a medium to high threat at this point. Heavy rain, that's a medium to high threat as well. Tornado and large hail, that's a medium threat, so that is not low by any stretch of the imagination. So be prepared. Have two ways to get your weather information. One way would be a NOAA weather radio. I would not rely on sirens given what happened with the city of Tyler last severe weather event. So what I would have is something on your smart home. Keep that smartphone charged tomorrow, and one good tool to have on it would be the East Texas Storm Team app. You get the latest lightning and storm alerts, live Doppler radar and forecast. You can also share us your photos and videos, and we will ask you permission to show those on the air when convenient. So once again, guys, if you have those ways to get weather information and you happen to be under a warning, don't panic. Assuming you have a warning, have a plan in place, go seek shelter when you can, and we're going to be just fine, and hopefully this will be another beneficial rainfall for us. We'll be live on East Texas Live here in about 30 or so minutes, so I hope to see you then. If not, you can join Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bagwell tonight or myself tomorrow morning on KETK Today and Fox 51 Good Day. You guys have a good Wednesday.